Wondering why trading is disabled in MetaTrader 5? Don't worry. In this video, I'll show you the common reasons and how to fix it quickly. If you're using a brand new account, trading might be locked until you make your first deposit. Double check your account to make sure this isn't the issue. If your account is funded, the next step is to troubleshoot MetaTrader 5. Go to your Android settings and search for Android storage. Scroll down and find MetaTrader 5. Sorting by name helps. Tap the app and select Offload App, then reinstall. This often fixes technical glitches that prevent trading. Sometimes trading is disabled simply because the market is closed. In this case, wait until the market reopens. And that's it. These steps usually solve the trading disabled problem in MetaTrader 5. If this video helped, don't forget to like and subscribe for more trading tips.